Well, how are you getting on? Welcome to HUE Vietnam. Arrived here this morning after an 11-hour sleeper bus. A little bit rough, but I'm not gonna lie, I actually slept quite well in like 2-hour intervals, so that wasn't bad. I've been hanging out with this French man here.
Hi.
And these other Frenchies in the background, so je parle un petit peu français aujourd'hui. Maintenant, nous sommes allés à la City Imperial, yeah, let's go and see what it's like. Garance, ça va?
I'm okay.
Just okay?
Yeah, I'm ready for visit Imperial City, you know? You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
I've never seen something like that. It's beautiful.
We're now within some fortified walls and heading over towards the Citadel. It looks really cool from here. John, do you know much of the history in here? Because I'm not really sure.
I don't know a thing, man. We need a guide, I think.
There's literally nothing written down. All I can say at this moment in time is that it's really, really nice in here. Very historic, very beautiful, but can't tell you anything about it. So King Baodet was actually heavily influenced by Western culture, and he was all into different sports, and he actually had a tennis court. This is obviously just kind of a restoration of the tennis court he had. Garance, did you enjoy it in here?
Yeah, I enjoy. It's beautiful, and but I have very hot. You understand to me?
C'est très chaud maintenant.
C'est très chaud maintenant.
Ok,
Vraiment
d'accord.
très chaud. Mais les fleurs sont jolies. Il y a
The flowers are beautiful.
Il y a beaucoup de choses à visiter.
There's a lot of other visitors.
And it's an old temple, so it's great.
It's great. It's funny, like I just came into the bathroom in this restaurant and look, it's literally just a family home. William just went upstairs by an accident and it was in the living room. Crazy how these people live. Negotiating the taxi here. We want to go to the beach. It's about 11 kilometers away, but it's meant to be very nice. So we're just trying to see the best price we can get. It's not really beach weather, to be honest, but it's very warm, so perhaps we'll get a swim in. But I'm very tired from the night bus now, actually. It's starting to kick in. So a few beers have been had. It's been the best solution for the moment, and now we're just going to head back and probably head on a night out or something. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, damn it.
The following day now, raining outside. Garance has brought us to this market, so we're having a look. Vietnam t-shirt. I see it. Got a lot of footwear in here. Reminds me of that business in Ireland, Euroware. It's gone now, I think. But that's what this reminds me of. Garance, some shoes, maybe?
I would like to, but I don't have my... if I want, ce que je veux.
Size.
Size.
Okay. With socks.
What's your price? What's your price? 100,000. I would have went lower, actually.
Yeah. They're gonna scam me. Yeah.
Oh, bye bye. 200. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye.
No, actually,
How much?
look, it will not change. It will not change a little.
150.000.
Sorry. Thank you.
Này. Ok.
Thank you.
Ok. 150.000. Ok, xem Việt Nam.
It will not change actually. No. It will not change.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Don't keep me. Excuse me. Move your arm, please. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. No, look. Did you get for the price you wanted?
I hope.
100.
100, yeah.
Good bargainer. They have absolutely everything in here. Okay, what's it called?
This guy?
Yeah, it smells good.
Yeah, good capture.
Tell you what doesn't smell good. This stuff. Holding my breath half the time. Hello. No, thank you.
Not dangerous enough.
A few dumplings for the road. Okay, so the bad weather has cut us short here in HUE. We're off to Hoi An now on a sleeping bus, even though it's only 3.5 hours. But I'm actually going to utilise that time because we were out very, very late last night. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a like, comment down below, give me your feedback. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell, and I'll see you real soon. Good luck.